If you are trying to record your screen for tutorials, YouTube videos, or presentations, you have probably heard of Screen Studio and OBS Studio. But which one is actually better? In this video, we'll break down the key differences, pros, cons, and who should use what so you can pick the right tool for your workflow. What is OBS Studio? OBS Studio is a free, open-source screen recording and streaming software used by millions of creators. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it's especially popular for YouTube recording, live streaming like Twitch or YouTube Live, gaming content, professional multi-source setups. Key strength: OBS gives you full control over everything: multiple scenes, webcam overlays, audio mixing, custom transitions, plugins, and advanced settings. But it comes with a catch: it is not very beginner friendly. What is a Screen Studio? Screen Studio is a modern screen recording tool designed mainly for Mac users. Unlike OBS, it focuses on simplicity and polished output instead of advanced control. It is mostly used for product demos, SaaS videos, tutorials, social media content. Key features: automatic zoom effects, smooth cursor tracking, high quality export with minimal editing, very clean cinematic look, super easy interface. Basically, you record once and it already looks edited. Ease of use: this is where the biggest difference shows. OBS Studio: steep learning curve, you need to set up scenes, sources, audio manually, can feel overwhelming for beginners. Screen Studio: extremely beginner friendly, drag, record, export, no complex setup needed. Winner for ease of use: Screen Studio. If you want something fast and simple, Screen Studio wins easily. Video quality and editing: OBS Studio: raw recording quality is excellent, but editing is not built in. You'll need external software like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. Output is raw, unless you edit it yourself. Screen Studio automatically enhances your recording, adds zoom, motion, and focus effects. Produces YouTube-ready videos instantly, less need for post-editing. Winner for polished output: Screen Studio. But if you want full control over editing, OBS is better. Performance and flexibility: OBS Studio, very lightweight for what it offers, works even on low-end PCs, highly customizable with plugins, best for streaming plus recording combo. Screen Studio, heavier on Mac performance during export, only available on Mac OS, limited customization compared to OBS. Winner for flexibility: OBS Studio. OBS is basically a full production studio, while Screen Studio is more specialized. Pricing: OBS Studio 100% free, open source, no watermarks or limitations. Screen Studio, paid software, subscription or one-time license depending on plan, no free full version. Clear winner: OBS Studio for cost. Final verdict: so which one should you choose? Choose OBS Studio if you want live streaming, if you need advanced control, if you want a professional tool, if you do not mind a learning curve. Choose Screen Studio if you are a content creator focused on tutorials or SaaS videos. Choose Screen Studio if you want fast polished results, if you prefer simplicity over control, and if you are on Mac. And at the end of the video, it's not about which tool is better overall, it's about which one fits your workflow. OBS gives you power, Screen Studio gives you speed and polish. And that's all for this comparison. If this video helped you out, please do not forget to consider like and subscribe, and share this video to your friend, and tell me down below in the comments which one did you choose and how it works with you. Thank you so much, and see you in a new comparison.